Okay, so we have a 6-foot tall tent, and it casts a 9-foot shadow. If the cardboard box casts a shadow that is 6 feet long, how tall is the box? Well, the proportion would be x is to 6, x is to 6 as 6 is to 9. So the box would be 4 feet tall, but that's the picture. A map has a scale of 3 centimeters to 18 kilometers. If Riverside and Smithville are 54 kilometers apart, then how far apart are they on the map? Well, 3 centimeters to 18 kilometers as x centimeters is to 54 kilometers. Multiply times 3, 18 times 3 is 54, so 3 times 3, x would be 9. James wants to measure the height of a basketball pole. Okay, James is doing this in a very strange way. So, he goes from the base of the pole, puts a mirror on the ground 19 feet away. He backs up until he can see the top of the pole reflected in the center of the mirror. Really? Okay. 19 feet from the base of the pole, and he puts a mirror. He backs up until he can see the top of the pole reflected in the center of the mirror, and he places a quarter on the ground to mark the spot. He then measures the distance from the mirror to the quarter as 11 feet. If his eyes are 5.5 feet off the ground, how tall is the pole? This is the sort of problem that we make fun of because it's just so weird. .5 is to 11 as x is to 19. And the whole trick here is to be able to draw the picture. A pentagon has a perimeter of 240 inches and the sides are the ratio of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Plus 5 is 14, plus 6 is 20. I think it's going to be 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72. But I will double check that. Sculpture is 6 feet wide. It's 2 inches wide and 7.5 inches tall. Here's the trick, here's the trap, and it will get you if you let it. This is inches, this is inches, this is feet. 6 feet is 72 inches. Don't get caught like that. Other than that, it's very straightforward.